back over to the Demon. Time to exercise the demons in this thing, because this interior was made in literally Tijuana, Mexico, probably back in the 80s, and they went through the whole process. Excuse me. They went through the whole process of actually redoing the entire interior in this kind of blue, felty material, even to the detail of covering the sun visors in the same material. It's pretty impressive. When I say impressive, it's ugly as hell. But we want to get it out so this way I can get into the trunk and see what's going on in there. So watch me tear out this dusty, dirty old headliner. Well, that works. That's cool. Pop out windows, pop out. Should probably be reading. Get a respirator for this one. That's a little better. Yuck. Okay. That's a little bit better. Now this is out of here. The original roof is not that bad. I could throw all this crap out and then we can vacuum out the floor and kind of get this thing a little bit more clean. Get these terrible door panels off of here too. Get the window roller out. Pretty simple. And these should be held on by a small bolt. And then we got a screwdriver that goes through. It's amazing how torched these things are from sitting out in the sun for 30-something years. Okay. Armrests out. Little 7/16 bolt holding on handle. Okay, off and away it goes. Look at that original B5 blue color. Just kind of wiped it off with a rag, and it's pretty cool to see the coolest part of the car, the Demon emblems. Those and the taillights make the Demon the freaking coolest thing. Hidden in this door is a quarter. 1980. That's pretty wild. Screwdriver hiding down in here too. Let's see about popping this back seat out. Heck yeah. No broadcast sheet. That would have been cool. No bodies hiding in here yet. Let's see what else we got. Oh ho! Part of our broadcast sheet. Oh, that's cool. Part of the broadcast sheet is still left in there. Oh man. that's cool. Not much left of it. I'll carefully remove this thing and protect it and save it. There it is. Way cool. Love finding little gems like that. Look at this sunset too. Okay, we want to get into the trunk. So that's why we're removing this seat, by the way, because the trunk latch mechanism won't work. So here we are. Okay. Is there anything good hiding in the trunk? I'm not seeing any bodies or bags of cash, but you can definitely see that beautiful original B5 blue paint hiding underneath that trunk lid. Usually the underside of the trunk lid on these old cars for some reason just maintains the original paint better than anything else. But there it is, that's the trunk. I could reach over there and unlatch the mechanism straight ahead. Alright, Operation Interior Clean is about halfway through. I don't know if this is original or not with this padding underneath the carpet. I haven't pulled enough of these cars apart to know for sure. Oh look, someone's tweezers. How fun. But the sun has completely deteriorated the carpet to where there's not much left of it there. Got a little bit more vacuuming to do, but nonetheless, there it is. Look at this little guy. I tunnel ratted my way in to the trunk. And we now are in the trunk. And there she is. What do you think, Odie? Pretty cool, huh? The mechanism was really jammed up, so even with the screwdriver reaching in from the outside, it wouldn't release it. So it's just got 30 years of dust and crap. There's our trunk. Okay, see you guys later. She runs.
Oh, so stinky though.
So stinky. Nasty. Now that, boys and girls, is a Mopar Monday.
I think you need to adjust the...
Oh, it's way retarded on the timing. It's running like shit, but it fucking runs.
I was gonna say adjust the idle.
Oh, wow. Babe!
Taste it.
Yeah! What do you think, dude? It's pretty cool, huh? Oh, and Elliot, though, you got a bottle? Demon runs, boys. The demon runs. Well, that was a lot of fun. If you still made it this far into the video, I thank you, because I know we do some crazy stuff out here, but seriously, that was pretty cool. This old 360 that's been sitting in here for 20, 30 years, up and running again. Can't beat it. Can't beat a cool day like that. So thank you guys for watching again, and we'll see you on the next wild Fanelli adventure.